This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. The Makenzie 2,551 square feet custom-built home is one of a kind and fits the beach-style environment. The open floor plan will make you feel like you are riding a smooth wave, with soft seafoam-colored walls and high-end LVP floors. There's a primary suite on the first level, a very rare find in new construction homes. The kitchen is our 4ED for a home chef, with beautiful quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances and under-counter lights, matching the can lighting in the ceiling. The two-car rear loading garage gives you privacy. The second level features another full bath and 3 huge bedrooms, one of them a suite with its own walk-in closet. You will also find a huge bonus room that can be used as a TV room, study, or game room. The exterior colors were chosen to give you the feeling I'm home at the beach, and I'm on staycation 24/7. The backyard is just the right size. Come home and sit on your deck, smell the saltwater, and enjoy the Chesapeake Bay majestic sunsets. May 1, 2024. For more information, review the details below.